The method-made system provides human accountability to all AI-generated content. After you upload a video, it will be transcribed, and a transcript reviewer must sign to take accountability and human responsibility for that transcript. So here I am in the transcript review modal. You can see that an AI-generated transcript is here, and now I have the ability to edit that transcript as needed before I sign it. So I've edited the transcript, I've reviewed it, I can listen and watch each segment of the video to confirm congruency between the transcript and the video. Now I can apply my signature, and it is very clear now that this is no longer just an AI-generated transcript, it is a transcript that I have taken ownership for. The same applies to the actual SOP draft. So after transcript review and approval, the AI system is going to draft an SOP, including a title, purpose, steps array, supplemental notes, materials, reagents, and equipment. And it may not be perfect. It is a draft, and it is for human review. So in this example, I don't like the first section title that it gave me. It called it Introduction. I want to call it something more descriptive. I go through, I edit this SOP, and just like in the transcript review process, I take responsibility for it by signing when I submit it to quality. This means that I own this SOP. There is no AI ownership here. The AI generated the draft, but as an author submitting it, I own the document. Inside the audit trail, this chain of custody is recorded. You can see that first, the computer AI-generated system drafted the transcript. Then, the human edited the transcript. And finally, the human took accountability by signing the transcript. The same goes for the SOP. You can see that the transcript was processed through the language model by the system, and then you can see that the signature was applied by the operator to submit it to quality, and finally that quality actually accepted it.